When an organization intends to deploy an open-source foundational model, what is the primary factor the AI governance body should assess for approval? Option A, risk of sensitive data exposure. Option B, predictive performance metrics. Option C, community maintenance and lifecycle support. Option D, protection of employee information rights. Okay, so the correct answer here is option C, community maintenance and lifecycle support. In this context, where an organization intends to deploy an open-source foundational model, the factor that the AI governance body should assess for approval is the well-being of community maintenance and lifecycle support. Why is that? Well, when open-source models are used, it's important to understand how the model will be supported and how it will be managed over time. This includes things like responsibility features, specialization, development policies, and even development financing. Specifically, the Community Task Force focuses on responsibility features, specialization, development policies, and even development financing. Assessing the well-being of the community tells us a lot about how the model will be supported and how it will be managed over time. Now, what about the other options? Option A, risk of sensitive data exposure. That's an important consideration, but it's not the primary factor in this context. Option B, predictive performance metrics. That's an analytical factor, but it's not the primary factor in this context. Option D, protection of employee information rights. That's a legal consideration, but it's not the primary factor in this context.
To understand this, consider the challenge of integrating large-scale artificial intelligence models into a business environment. Governance bodies focus on high-level strategy and security posture. They must balance innovation with organizational safety. This means looking beyond how well a model functions or how it is maintained. Instead, they must evaluate the broader implications of introducing external technologies into the company's existing data ecosystem.
In my view, the correct answer is option A, risk of sensitive data exposure. When deploying foundational models, the most critical governance concern is the potential for these systems to memorize or inadvertently leak sensitive input data or proprietary knowledge. Security and the protection of organizational intellectual property must be the foundation of any artificial intelligence deployment strategy.
While predictive performance is important, it measures capability rather than security. Community maintenance addresses technical longevity, but is not the primary governance risk. Employee privacy rights are a significant concern, but they are a specific component within the broader scope of data confidentiality and security. Governance committees prioritize the organization's overall data protection posture above all else.